Hello, I'm Leslie Logan, and today I want to show you rowing 3, also known as from the chest, here on your armchair. So your armchair, your baby chair, whatever you want to call this chair, it is such an excellent tool. So if you have one, congratulations. I love mine. It is such a great way to understand how the arm back connection works, and you have feedback from the chair. So if you are wanting to work up to rowing 3 on the reformer, or maybe you're doing it but you're struggling with it, this is a really great place. So I put this as part of the chairs deck because I wanted you to see how all the chairs work together. They all have different ways of supporting us in our Pilates practice. And the armchair is one of them. It's small, it has lighter springs, but there's a lot of feedback options we can have with the ground, with the back of the chair. So like the high chair, it has a lot. If you're watching this video from the onlinepilatesclasses.com chairs tutorials, hello, thank you for being here. Thank you for getting your chairs deck. I'm so happy you are enjoying it and you're using it. If you don't have the chairs deck, you should get it. We also have mat, reformer, Cadillac, and tower. Okay, so let's talk about rowing 3. So you want to put yourself up against the chair. Now I'm using a Contrology chair, so I have 2 settings. So I have this back in the furthest setting. Your chair, if it is more of if it's a different classical chair, it might be a little bit more upright. Same exercise, okay? But this is how the original chair was. So we got this nice lean back position here. Feet, our soles of the feet together if you can. We just want to have them hang out. So squeeze those feet together so they're engaged. Push them into the floor, and then lift your back up against the chair. I just want the head to be somewhere where the neck can be nice and loose. So I don't want to be way back here, right? I want to be just like nice and loose. Then we have the arms starting at the chest, thumbs underneath. You reach the arms forward. You lower the arms down. You lift the arms up. And as I'm lifting the arms up, I'm not pulling myself off the chair. Instead, I'm working with the chair. Can I keep my center pulling back, 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 back? And then as I open my arms, I'm trying to get taller up the chair. Bending the elbows without losing that height, reach forward. Lower, lift, and open. Bending in, reach forward, lower, lift, and open. Good. Then you'll have other rowing exercises you can do, and I've done those on different tutorials, so definitely check those out. Subscribe to this channel if you want more information that we put out, and also check out onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we have tutorials, workouts, and where we do life better.